Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can apply freeze from effect on CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on the video section right here. And then you can select the part of the video that you want to freeze. And for example, I'm going to select this part. And after that, we can scroll all the way to the right like this until we find a freeze option. Just keep scrolling until you find the option. Okay, and this is the option guys, this freeze option. Tap on it. Okay, and wait. Alright, and this is the part that we freeze, and you can adjust the duration. As you can see that the duration is 3 seconds, and for example I'm going to make it 1 second, so just drag at the clip like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to play the video. Okay, so this is the result guys. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply freeze frame effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.